Hey everyone, so I am the CEO of Navreo. We're a lead gen agency and we use AI and automation to help our customers to book calls on autopilot. Now, I first came to work with Adi here through LinkedIn actually. So I'd been seeing Utkarsh around, and then I think he dropped me a message, introduced what he did. And I always get these messages, but I thought, you know what? I'm actually in the need of some clay talent because it's really hard to find people who are really good at clay. And so I thought I'd give it a try. Our process before using Adi here was using various different individuals or clay experts on an ad hoc basis, or just doing it myself. And it just got to a point where I needed something super consistent. Someone was in there in the trenches with me, and then Adi here's proposition made a lot of sense to me. And so when we started working together, I think the first thing which I was impressed with is how responsive they are. They're literally always available, which is amazing for us because we want to move really fast. And also the ability to put them client facing, and the way that he's able to or their team is able to speak to the clients in a really professional way, turn things around, and the quality of their work was really good. Some of the things that Utkarsh has been able to do has even surprised me, and I'm learning as well. So I'd highly recommend working with them.